Okay, I'm going to show you real quick the parent side of Powerschool. So this is the main login for students and parents. If they do not have their account set up, they'll have to come to this tab and click Create an Account. They'll enter all their information here and then enter their students' information from that sheet. So I just entered Brielle's access ID and password from the sheet that Kathy gave us. One question was, how do parents enter multiple students? If you're lucky enough to be the first one to have a conference with the parent, I'm guessing you can help them, if they have the sheets, enter all their kids. Otherwise, I'm guessing they could do it separately. Then once they have that done, they'll click Enter, go back to this, and then sign in with the username they just made. I did it like right away and it worked right away, so we shouldn't have a problem with that. Click sign in. Once they get in, I don't find any of this over here to be super helpful. So mostly what they want to be on is this main page that it takes them to. And then the tricky thing is they want to click to standards grades. And this is all their grades if they expand these out. I'm going to click expand all because that's easiest. So you can see this is where it breaks it down by standard and how they're doing. So Linda and Jeff and Darren's grades all in there. And then for math, you can see the standard that they're working on. I like it because it only shows the standards that you've reported on. So it's pretty clean. And then you see this little comment is where the comment is. It gives all the standard info. And then when you scroll, that is where the comment is. So Ashlyn's entered a little comment here so that we could see what it looks like. So that's good. And then you can see all our grades. That's pretty much it. I'm guessing that the main comment will show up under homeroom because that would be the life skills section. So yeah, that's it.